Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Mary here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix 6-digit code or OTP is not working or received on TikTok. First, let's open our TikTok app and jump into the phone number. Enter the phone number right here. Then tap on send code. Here I'll be required to select two objects that are of same shape. After that, it will send me a code. I'll be required to wait for 60 seconds. If the code has not been sent, then at the bottom you can see resend code. You can request a phone call as well if you are not getting a text message. There may be a couple of things you must look out for. The first one is make sure that you have good enough signal to get text messages. The second one is open any of your web browser, as I prefer to open my Chrome. On the search bar, click over there and search is TikTok down. Another thing you must check is if TikTok servers are down. It says no problem at TikTok. If it says TikTok servers are down, then obviously that's the reason you are not getting your one-time password. So if you go back to your TikTok and still not able to get your 6-digit code or OTP, then you need to look at your message, and in this case at the very top you can see this is the phone number. Then you need to look at your messages, and in this case at the very top you can see this is the phone number that TikTok used to send 6-digit code. Just go to your phone, then settings, and go to block numbers. Make sure that you have not blocked your phone number that TikTok might be using to try to send you the code, and that's the another reason why you are not getting your TikTok 6-digit code. And this is how we fix 6-digit code or OTP is not working or received. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching. I'll see you on next tutorial.